The first of the applications we're going to do with vectors are going to be basic navigation problems again, where we just have to make our triangle and then end up using law of sines or cosines, whatever is fit. So the main thing that's going to come back here, might need a quick review, is this bearing. So this north 70 degrees east, and remembering what that means. So for this problem, it says we're starting with a vector going 5 miles south. So you're given that means due south. So you draw your little compass, north, south, east, west. This 5 miles south means straight south for 5 miles. Now we are followed by 14 miles on a bearing of northeast. So remember the way bearing works, the vector is going to go at the end of this first one, so we have to draw a little compass, north, south, west, east. You start at the north, so we're starting up at the north and going 70 degrees towards the east, and that's where our vector is drawn. So the big thing to remember with the bearing is you start at the north-south line, which is your vertical line, and then go towards the east or west line. And then we're told that that vector is 14 miles, and our end goal is to find the resultant of those two vectors, so to find where we ended up. So if we started up here, flew to the end of that blue line, this is the distance that we're trying to find, or the magnitude that we're trying to find. So these work the same as yesterday now. That distance squared, it's side angled side, so it's law of cosines again. So it's 5 squared plus 14 squared minus 2, 5, 14, cosine of 70. Type that whole thing in your calculator, take a square root, and then that's it. So if you type that all in, you should get 173.12. Take your square root to finish solving, and we get that the new vector, the plane is 13.16 miles from where it started.